Average A returns the average arithmetic mean of the values in a column, and the speciality is it can be handled text and non-numeric values. Like if you have a column where there is some numeric values and non-numeric values, also average a function can be handled this. So both numeric I mean text and non-numeric values can be handled using the average a function. Let's apply this. Average a equal the function should be average a, and then you have to choose a column like high, and then close the bracket, hit enter, and then let's apply this. And you can see that average functions returns a values, and it's a little bit different with average and average a function. You can see that our average function it shows 15.76, and average a function shows 15.93, because I think there are some blank rows that's also average count as average a function. So uh, it's not a huge difference. You can see only the difference between average and average a is average can handle only numeric values, and average a can handle text and non-numeric values.